English Welsh. Past of go, I went.
AC.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, thanks for tuning in. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll laugh, repeat, and nail the Welsh past of to go. Keep your ears open for quick prompts and playful pauses. Your mouth will do the walking. Your goal today. You'll be able to say who went where, in clean, confident Welsh. By the end, you'll know, I went.
AC.
You went, singular.
ST.
He went.
Aithe.
She went.
Aithi.
We went.
Aithoni.
You went, plural, polite.
Aithochi.
They went.
Aithonu.
And the base verb go.
Mynd.
Forms you need, quick map. Say them out loud with me, tiny victories, big grin. To go equals.
Mynd.
I went equals.
AC.
You went, singular, informal, equals.
ST.
He went equals.
Aithe.
She went equals.
Aithi.
We went equals.
Aithoni.
You went, plural or polite, equals.
Aithochi.
They went equals.
Aithonu.
Mini dialogue. The door, the tea, and the feet. Listen first, then we'll echo the Welsh bits together. Narrator. Yesterday was busy, I went to the shop.
Es i'r siop.
And my feet filed a complaint. Friend. Be honest, you went the long way, didn't you? You went.
ST.
Around 3 blocks. Narrator. He went for coffee.
Aithe.
Coffee, and she went to find snacks.
Aithi.
I quilio fearbrido. Friend. Good team effort. We went the scenic route.
Aithoni.
By accident. Narrator. Meanwhile, you all went straight home.
Aithochi.
A dref, before the rain. Friend. And the crowd? They went to celebrate.
Aithonu.
I d dathlu. Narrator. Moral of the story? Before you go.
Mynd.
Check the weather. Umbrellas hate surprises. Call and response. Your turn. Echo the Welsh after each cue. Loud and proud. Say, I went.
AC.
Repeat. Say, you went, singular.
ST.
Again. Say, he went.
Aithe.
Say, she went.
Aithi.
Say, we went.
Aithoni.
Say, you went, plural, polite.
Aithochi.
Say, they went.
Aithonu.
Say the infinitive to go.
Mynd.
Lightning quiz. Quick checks, answer, then I reveal the Welsh. Q. Welsh for, you went, singular. A.
ST.
Q. Which form means, we went? A.
Aithoni.
Q. Fill the blank. Yesterday, home early, they went. A.
Aithonu.
A dref yn ginner. Q. The base verb, to go. A.
Mend.
Q. He went after lunch? A.
Aise.
A.R. Ol Cineo. Culture tip. Make it real. Picture Wales as you speak. After a festival, you might hear, "We went to the festival."
Aethon ni i'r ŵyl.
Road signs, coastal paths, and castle steps become your memory palace. Drop little anchors like
Es I.
at the shop,
Aeth hi.
at the gate, and
Aethoch hi.
at the stadium exit. Your Welsh grows where your feet go. Final challenge. 3 fast sentences. Build them in your head, then say them out loud. 1. Say, "We went to the beach yesterday." Hint. Start with
Aethon ni.
2. Say, "He went home, but they went to the park." Use
Aethe. Aethon nhw.
3. Say, "You went, plural, the right way, I went left." Use
Aethoch hi. Es I.
Wrap up. You did great, your past tense has legs now. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Mend.
And its past forms.
Es I. Esti. Aethe. Aeth hi. Aethon ni. Aethoch hi. Aethon nhw.
For more lessons, games, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Diolch, see you next time.